I don't even know what I've videoed and what I haven't. I think I've taken little snippets here and there. And you know what I do with those? Those are the hodgepodge videos. Nothing here goes to waste. Not even video clips. I don't know why I'm trying to wash my windows. I get in my truck and my windshield wiper fluid thing doesn't work. I need to put that on a list somewhere so I can spend some time and figure out why. Do I have a leak in my tank? Is the pump not working? It sounds like the pump's working. How many times have I talked about this? Sammy, what are we doing? Yep, anytime I'm in my truck these days, I gotta go dump and get water. And that is what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna dump, get water. Then I'll bring the truck camper back. So it's not very far from here. And take the van. I need to go get a few little groceries. At Lowe's, mostly Kramer. We'll be going to a Walmart soon. We're going to take a little road trip. So I'm going to hit up a super Walmart. We're going to do a pickup there. So y'all stay tuned for that little outing coming up. It's warm today. It's not, the temperature's not really warm. It's just, I think we've decided we're just close to the sun and it's hot. Yeah. I gotta turn on the air. Yeah, like I said, I'm not really sure what I've filmed, what I haven't filmed, what I've got in footage, what I don't have footage. I know I've done some of the Jack's presentations here at the museum, so I still have some of those coming up. Or when you see this, they're already past. I have no rhyme or reason right now. Isn't that what a vlog is? It's just random video clips of your days. Yeah. It's a video log, like a video diary. Yeah, the Lucky Shoe. Is it Lucky Shoe? They're not going to be open, I don't think, this year. Let's see, today is Friday. Okay, because I'm like, it's kind of crowded downtown. I have to think about what day it is to say, oh, it's crowded for the week or the weekend, but this is, I guess, normal. So if you don't know or haven't heard, Michael Martin Murphey used to play in Red River. I don't know for how many years, but he was always playing in Red River. And he has actually moved his show to Eagle Nest. Oh, the resale shop's open. Yeah, I might have to do that. Come back. Oh, never mind, they close at 2. I forget these things. Well, I had to work this morning, so it was an unscheduled work, so I had to fill in for one of the volunteers, so I didn't get off till 1 when Deborah came, so I could have done that. Today's Friday. And I work tomorrow, so I won't be doing that this week. And we have our last tour tomorrow, our last damn tour. And I think I'm doing the gate tomorrow morning, so. And then I work, so I don't have to I'm not going to go on the damn tour, but I do have to go open the gate, I think. And by the time you see this, all of this will be in the past, if you see this at all. Sometimes I do that too. I film a whole bunch of stuff and then it's like, there was no relevance. Anyway, I am about to turn off. Then I'm going to go get the van. I don't know if I'll have time to do a load of laundry, or I might. Here you go, the post office. Need to mail. Deborah needs to mail books. I'm going to go to the Angel Fire post office and do that there while I'm there today. Alright. Pulling in. Our friend Cindy came by this morning. She says, I got 2 words for you. Fried mushrooms. Like, oh yeah. So we're going to do that soon. At the saloon. Soon. Yeah. Alright, I'm here. I will be back. Alright, I'm in the van. Ready to go into town. Gotta get that creamer. Yeah. Whew, it is hot. I need to have shorts on. What am I doing? Wearing pants. It's July. Alright, let's hit the road. You dreaming? Okay. There you go. Y'all done? There you go. He says, not yet. Jamie? Is it hailing? Yeah. It makes you a little nervous. Yeah. You okay? You're okay, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah, it's hailing. It is foggy this morning. You can't really even see town. You can't see the mountains. All around. You can't see the houses over there. You can see the birds. It rained a lot yesterday and last night. All the veggies are happy. Yeah. I still gotta do a video about this. Explain myself. Tell me. $14.99 for a magazine. Alright, I have got a load. I got both ice chests. I bought that one just because we got a lot of meat, a lot of creamer, cheese, cottage cheese. So anyway, I got both of those full and then stopped at Albertsons first, got all that stuff. Now, that stuff, yeah. Oh, let's see what's in here. There's a sushi. Oh, there's some strawberries. You're gonna have to live there till we get home. All right, this evening we're having chicken thighs in the air fryer, a quarter of a sweet potato, and some charred broccoli in the air fryer. Yeah, I just warmed it up. I think it's pretty good. Morning, I'm cooking the rest of the sausage. Yesterday we had sausage patties. This morning I'm gonna go ahead and cook all this and make sausage, egg, and cheese burritos. Have a few tortillas left, a little bit of cheese left, and I'm gonna probably use half or a third, and then I'm gonna put it in a baggie and freeze the rest for another morning. I think this sausage it's Walmart brand. I think it's $2.48. I'll put the price right here. I'll put the price. So we can get quite a few breakfast meals out of this 1 pound of sausage. Alright, I put in the sausage. That's how much we have left over. I'll put that, cut that in half, put it in 2 separate baggies, put that in the freezer. Gonna add some of this. We had the enchiladas yesterday. Little verde sauce. Now just roll it up.